Lecture number 8. Now let us proceed with the what do you mean by a coordination number? How do you find the charge on the complex? Because all these they are important to write the IUPAC name of a particular coordinate compound. Now very first we start with coordination number. Now what do you mean by coordination number? When I have given you the example, the definitions in the last lecture we have seen, coordination number का मतलब क्या? The total number of ligands which are attached to the central metal ion, they are called, that is called as the coordination number of the particular ion. Okay, in another words we can say that a coordination number is the number of ligands in the coordination sphere of the complex compound. It's a more complicated definition. In the very simple words I can say कि how many the ligands, the total number of ligands, दोनों sides कितने हैं, that is equal to the coordination number. Fine. Now let us see some of the examples I have written over here. The very first example, it is AgCN2 minus. So इसमें metal कौन सा है? Silver. It is associated with cyanide. It's a monodentate ligand. तो कितने ligands है? 2. So the coordination number is 2. I think it is clear. Similarly, chloride. Okay, the next example, second example, left hand side. So it is PtCl6 2 minus. तो इसमें platinum का coordination number कितना है? 6. Okay, the very first thing, platinum पे +4 charge कैसे आया? That is by the redox reaction. So the oxidation state we can say. See, platinum का charge मुझे मालूम नहीं है. So if I write it X, -6 is equal to -2. So वो charge आया +4. That is how you get the charge on platinum as +4. Similarly, you can see for these examples, okay, I would like to explain the coordination number of either of this. See, if you see ligands कितने हैं अमोनिया के? 3. Fine. अमोनिया के ligands कितने हैं? 3. So, but then why the coordination number is 6? Any one of you can explain why the coordination number is 6? Because इसमें अमोनिया is unidentate, उसके 3, क्लोरीन के 3, so total हो गए 6. Okay, now let us see for this En thrice. What is this? It is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand. So ये 6 कैसे आया? It is 3 2s are bidentate है, इसलिए 3 2s are 6. So the coordination number of CO3 is 6. I think you have understood this. How do you find out the coordination number? Because all these things are very important to go for the IUPAC of it. Now, how do you find the charge on the particular complex? Now, these are the examples which are given over here to find the charge which is present on the particular complex. The very first example I have written, it is NH3 6 2 plus. So, what do you mean by the charge? First of all, the charge carried by a complex ion, it is the algebraic sum of the charges which are carried by the central ion and the ligand which is coordinated to it. That is called as the charge which is present on the complex ion. For example, अभी इस पे निकल पे चार्ज कितना है? How do you find out? The charge on nickel कितना है? This is +2 because nickel का you know it is. This is +2 +6. ये neutral ligand है, so it is 6 into 0. That comes to +2. So charge on this, it is Ni. It is +2. Charge is +2 over here. The charge on the complex ion. This is +2. Okay. The next example I have written. Okay. अभी what is the net charge? Net charge कितना आया इस पे? तो ये एग्जाम्पल इट इज -3. Why is it -3? कोबाल्ट चार्ज इज -3. -1 ये न्यूट्रल है, सो 5 into 0 that is equal to +2. समझा? I think you have understood this. Okay, now in this example COCl NH3 again ये न्यूट्रल है, so it is 3 अभी ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि कोबाल्ट के ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज +3. So this is 3 minus, it should be CO Cl3. It should be COCl3 over here. Okay, it should be COCl3. So it is 3 minus 3 plus 3 2, because again वो neutral है तो charge कितना है, it would be 0. So that is how you find the charge which is present on the complex ion. The next we proceed right hand side में, just see what I have written. It is the calculation of the oxidation number of the central metal. कि निकल पे see x मुझे मालूम नहीं है निकल का, the first example right hand side का बोल रही हूँ मैं, निकल का चार्ज मालूम नहीं इसलिए I have taken it is x. NH3 is neutral, so it is plus 6 into 0, that is equal to plus 2. So I can find out the oxidation state of nickel over here. I have taken all the examples. You can find the oxidation state of the central metal. It is just by the oxidation states. अगर आपको मालूम है तो. Now C2O4. C2O4 का you should know that is having a minus 2 charge. 3 है, so it is x. Third example I am speaking about. So x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So what is oxidation state? 3. Last example, example number 4. CuCl3 minus. So it is Cu का x मालूम नहीं है, plus 4 into cyanide is minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So oxidation state कितना आया इसका? Plus 1. So this is how you can find the charge on the central metal or the oxidation state on the central metal. The next we go to the different types of complexes, homoleptic and heteroleptic. Homoleptic मतलब simple है, oh, if there is only one kind of a donor group, that is called as a homoleptic. See the examples you can see, ammonia एक ही है ना donor group, that is called as homoleptic. Similar, single. Hetero, more than one donor group, that is called as hetero. You can see the examples, you can come to know. So these are the examples of heteroleptic complex. Now the next we will proceed in the next lecture.